another session. Last session we discussed about what is search engine, how search engine will work, and different methods of searching, and different methods of the search engine works for searching the right content to the user. So this video is explaining about the algorithm used by Google. So page rank algorithm. So this is the algorithm. Page rank algorithm is actually used by Google. So algorithm used by Google search to rank web pages, to discovering and indexing content, etc. So merely the first part of the puzzle we have learned. So how crawlers or robots or spiders has crawled or scheduled and praised and indexed the search result. So according to the the validity of the search result, there is a process that we have learned, that is indexing. So it will rank the website as per the content, as per the links, as per the other tags, meta tags, then relevancy, etc. So this page rank algorithm is helping Google in 2020 to make a most like a precise searching and precise results. Search engine also need a way to rank matching results when a user performs a search. So this is the job of a search engine algorithm. So each search engine has a unique algorithm for making web pages. So but as Google is by far the most widely used search engines, at least in Europe or in Asia. So that's one we are going to focus on throughout the remainder of this video. So students, see, there are different types of searches. So that is organic and paid. So you can see this is a search engine result page, how it looks like. So there shall be a heading and there shall be a snippet. Snippet means a description, small description. So this is how a search engine result page looks like. So let us see how we can differentiate a paid versus organic search. So search engine result pages are the pages that Google and other search engines show in response to user search query. So here we can divide this search result into two types. The red one is inorganic search, result, and the green one is organic result. Organic result is because of normal things that we do, that is content development in the website, then tagging, then linking, backlinking, etc. As I said, visiting card, your visiting card having a QR code or a website link, etc., makes a more traffic, and obviously social media. So through that, you making funneling to your website and making traffic. Every day you are making a webinar, and you are asking your viewers to get into the website. You are making offers and making traffic to the website. Definitely website will come on the top of the result, while people will go for a search query. But what about on the other hand? So organic results come out from a long-term investment in content development, in making events, pulling traffic, etc. But paid result will come fast. You can see an ad mark over there. So Google have different options to market a website. So when you type uh, some product name, definitely the ad come first on the top or on the right side, and the organic results can be seen after 4 or 3 ad results. So the ad is called as search engine marketing, and the organic is called as search engine optimization. So see, why search engine result page matters for SEO. So most of the people click organic result on the first page of a search engine result pages. You rarely visit to. You can see the graph. It's the number of clicks and position. So you can see from 1 to 10th position, see the clicks. So rest the second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, it is declining like anything. Here comes the importance of a search engine optimization or a search engine result page. If our result is not coming on the first 5, definitely our business won't grow. So this is why everyone wants to rank on the first page of a Google. So if you on page 2 or beyond, you are practically invisible. No one will come and dig you up. So but ranking on the first page doesn't always equate to a lot of traffic for a few reasons. So first most the organic clicks goes to the few portions. You can see 75.1% all clicks are come to the first 3 portions. That's why I said it doesn't mean like if you come on the first page, it doesn't mean like you will get more traffic. At least you have to come at least in 3 of the like a result, first result. So the second paid result often push the organic rating down in the search engine result pages. So you can see this. I typed buy sunglasses. You can see all the organic searches have been pushed down by the advertisements. So this is what exactly is search engine marketing as well. So next we can learn about how to get into search engine result page. That we'll learn in the next video. Thank you.